Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you, or we're going to talk about the construction that's going to go on East King's House Road. That's the road we're on. So if you notice, this section of the road right as you get up to Barbican Road was recently renovated. This section was done when Barbican Road was done. So you can see the concrete barricade and the lanes. The road was expanded up here. So they are going to expand the rest of East King's House Road all the way to Hope Road. So we're going to make a U-turn here and go back around and show you what they plan to do. And the government also announced recently that they're going to be planting trees along all the roadways that they renovate or work on now. So they have plans to plant, I think it's 3,000 trees along East King's House Road. And also the government announced that they're going to set up a special police unit to monitor these construction sites that are the major construction sites that are I guess the construction in progress, because persons have been trying to disrupt the construction by trying to extort money and all sorts of things. So the police are now getting involved. So this project to renovate East King's House Road is to start this year. Everything is in place, it's just for them to start. The contractor has been chosen, the funds allocated, and okay, so up to this point on East King's House Road now was renovated. So from this point to Hope Road, that's what they're going to work on now. So it's going to look just like the section above. It's going to have the concrete barricade or the Jersey barrier, and it's also going to be a 4-lane dual carriageway. Now this road has a lot of traffic in the evenings and in the mornings. It's one of the main roads because it takes you from the top or the most popular residential areas such as Barbican, Jacks Hill, Millsboro, Cherry Gardens to New Kingston, and New Kingston is one of the busiest places in the city of Kingston, and it also takes us to Halfway Tree, which is the busiest place in the city of Kingston. Actually, Halfway Tree is the busiest place in Jamaica. So this entire roadway is going to be renovated, and I wanted to look at how wide the road is, because this road was always designed to be 4 lanes. If you look at where the light poles are, they are far away from the existing roadway. Look on the right, you see how far over they are. That's because when this road was originally designed, it was designed to be 4 lanes. And look at where the gates or the fences are. They are far away from the roadway. So it will be very easy to renovate this road. You don't have to knock down any structures. So basically the road will look like Hagley Park Road or Constant Spring Road or even Barbican Road. And it should definitely help with the flow of traffic. And the government announced that they're going to renovate this road, East King's House Road. They're going to renovate Lady Musgrave Road, which is the road straight ahead if you go across the intersection, and they're going to renovate Arthur Wint Drive, and they're going to renovate one other that I think it's Tom Redcombe. I'm not 100% sure about the other one, but it I'll leave the name of the 4th road in the description section, or if anybody can know the name of the 4th road they plan to renovate, you can leave it in the description section. So this intersection straight ahead now, we are on West King's House Road. If we go straight across, that's Lady Musgrave Road. If we turn left, that's Old Hope Road. And if we turn right, that's Hope Road. If we turn left, that's Hope Road. turn right, that we take Hope Road down to down to Halfway Tree and also New Kingston. Now this section here is the entrance to King's House, and there you can see the entrance there. So we'll keep you guys updated once the construction work has started on this road. And all the 4 roads that we just mentioned, we'll keep you guys updated along with the planting of the trees. It's a very good project to plant the trees along the roadway. So we're back on East King's House Road now, heading in the opposite direction. And over here is prime real estate in Jamaica. Acres upon acres of flat land. Could easily build thousands of homes over there. But that's King's House. And I'm not sure if the Jamaican government owns that property, or yes, they should. But that's where the Governor General lives, and King's House is the official residence of the Governor General. So that's like a historic site over there. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. We'll keep you guys updated on this project, but it's scheduled to start this year. Alright guys, have a good day.